Okay, looking at conditional expressions. So a conditional expression is similar to the math expression. So from the conditional expression, I have just some floats here that are out here. So a conditional expression is the same kind of idea, but it returns true or false. Like, for example, A is equal, but you have to use two things. You can't use one, you got to use two. Is equal to B, right? So if I hit play, I can now see if I move B to 1, it's false. But if I move A to 1, it's true. If I move A to 2, it's false. Okay. But you can push these farther. You can go times 3. Or we'll say times C. Right? So now I'm looking at, is A equal to B times C? Well, 2 and we'll say 3, it's true, right? If it's 2, you know, it's false. So that's all condition expressions are. One of the nice things about those is we can run, say, a bool. I'm going to call it some bool. And I could say and, which you use two of those, some bool is equal to true. Or if you want to go not equal, you could also do that. Use an exclamation mark, right? So we have and in there, right? So now you're starting to have this weird, big, long conditional expression. So is A, we'll say A is 6. So it's obviously, it's false right now. So is B times C, which is, we'll say 2 times 3 equal to 6, which is true, but, and some bool has to be equal to true, which right now it's false. I turn it to true, and now it's, you know, it's happy, it's true. If I turn that to 1, it's false because this is true, but this isn't true anymore. So you can extend these things and push them. So that's conditional expressions.